Yeah, everyone's bottle is always leaving.
Oh, this is Angela's, right?
Oh, is it? I don't know. Okay, here you go. Sherene's going to unbox the Muso Music Flash Cards for the first time.
Oh, you know what? My mom watched Muso's Instagram story. Because I was telling her about, oh, by the way, Muso's Flash Cards is out. And then my mom was like, 睇咗啦! So she said watch.
Really?
She already watched the stories on Muso's Instagram, and she said, well, Isabelle looked so like really, really happy and excited. like 踢咗線, like 傻咗.
Oh, yeah.
She said, you're so happy.
Yeah, I was.
It's so funny. I like how my parents are also very
very
involved. Yeah.
And there's also 2 rings as well.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Look at the quality.
Yeah.
Oh, so they won't be bent easily, will they?
Exactly, that's the whole point. Because the other Muso Music Flash Cards that might be cheaper.
The other music flash cards.
Other music flash cards that are cheaper. There's always complaints about them. The
I have
quality's not good.
a student who laminated every single card he's learned. Good job, Jamie.
Good job, Jamie.
Very good job. I love the dedication.
Yeah. But these ones are actually still made out of paper, so they can be recyclable.
Oh,
so they're still eco-friendly, because otherwise we could have made it completely out of plastic, but I didn't want that. We show it to them. Show it. Treble clef.
Yeah, treble clef, and that's an explanation. 4 high notes.
And there's a ring
focusing?
in the corner.
Oh, the rings.
Yes.
That's how you use the rings.
Yes, correct.
Oh my goodness.
But you know, I actually don't know how to use the rings still, but all the kids do, because I showed it to Angela and Irene, and they straight away opened the rings. So I think they're very familiar.
So it's... There you go.
Oh, why did you do it so easily? Ouch. And I'm still struggling.
You don't pull. You actually push a little bit.
Like this?
And then, yes. That's it.
Okay, so you have to push it.
Quaver.
And then open. Okay, I got this.
Half a crochet bead. Half a crochet bead. I like that.
Yes, half a crochet bead, because there's no quavers in the other flashcards.
Yes. Oh, there are.
No, there isn't.
Really?
No.
I've been teaching them quaver. Oh, where did the quaver come from then?
Yeah. It's from maybe the book, maybe.
Oh, that's so amazing. Oh my god, I feel like I'm missing the
colours are also so much better as well.
What am I doing? I'm doing this.
And then we also have the instrumental keyboard family.
Oh, I love that. I want to look at the instrumentation.
Wait, maybe I should actually go through it in category.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, sorry. I think I messed up.
Okay, so first of all, when you open this up, you will receive the instructions. And the instructions will actually help you play the flashcards in a more fun way. So you can read it in your own time. So for example, you can show a card. So Sherene, what's this called?
Treble clef.
Treble clef. Okay, amazing.
High notes.
For the high notes, great. And then what's this one? This one's called the
bass clef.
And it's for the
no.
Nice, good job. And then you shuffle them, shuffle.
What's the high five, teacher?
Not yet.
Okay.
And then I'm mean teacher. And what's this one?
What's this one? What?
What's this called?
Bass clef.
Good. It's for the
no.
Good. High five.
Yay!
And then what's this one?
Treble clef.
It's for the
high note.
Good. High five.
Yay!
Nice. Well done. So you first learn treble clef and then bass clef. So that's one category. I'll put this down here.
You can also tell them that treble clef is for right hand on the piano. It's just easier.
Yeah.
Especially for
also
kids who can't
stuff.
distinguish the left and right hand. You use the clefs a lot.
Yeah.
So treble clef, use right hand to play these notes. Bass clef, use this hand to play these notes.
Correct. And then you move on to the rhythm. So then rhythm, we've got crotchet. So you hold up crotchet for me, and that's one beat. So you can turn it around actually. Da-da! And we got dotted crotchet. Da-da!
Very clear.
Thank you. And look, I even wrote the math for
this.
this.
Yeah, I like that part. That's the best.
Thank you.
Because I will write that on my board as well.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is so easy.
Yeah. And there's minim, 2 beats. Then you got the dotted minim. Ta-da. Running out of hands. Okay, my turn now. Semi-breathe. Ta-da, 4 beats. And then you got quaver, half a crotchet beat. Then you got semi-quaver, half a quaver beat. And then you got triplet, which they don't ever have that in flashcards. Ta-da, triplet. Ta-da. So I even did the math for that.
That's amazing.
Thank you. And that's the rhythm.
Oh, that's so cool.
Cool, right?
Yeah. Yellow cards. I call them yellow cards. My favorite cards.
My rhythm. I call them rhythm cards. So rhythm is color coded by yellow.
Yeah. Even for the other ones as well.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I just want to keep them the same. And then you got the repeat sign
and the
double bar line. Are we just going through all the cards?
Like briefly.
Okay, and then you got the rest, also part of rhythm.
Oh, so amazing.
Yeah. Ta-da. So you got the crotchet rest. Here, you hold this one.
Okay.
Then the double bar line. Oh, not the double minim rest. Then you got the semi-breathe rest. And then you got the quaver rest. And then you can see that's what it looks like on the back. Ta-da. It looks so much nicer to read as well, right?
Yeah.
So if you're a kid, you will like to read this more.
Yeah, because you've got the big title.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Highlighted.
Yeah, exactly. Cool. So that's the rest. And then you got the notes!
So exciting! Oh, the notes are no longer pink, right? Oh, white.
They were white before. And I showed Irene and Angela and they were so excited that it was blue.
Oh.
Yeah, they liked it much better. So okay, you have a look and see
Whoa.
your impression.
Sorry.
Why?
It's just on. Okay, so I've been having some difficulties in teaching some of my younger beginners.
Yes.
One's on flute, one's on piano, and they struggle with counting the lines.
Yeah.
So they were very good. They were actually both very good when they were back in kiddies class. They knew every single flashcards.
Yeah.
But then when we started looking at
The
short pieces, like we actually started reading, they've
They
forgotten
struggle?
about everything, like literally everything. And so I was like, okay, let's get back to flashcard. Let's actually do flashcard. And then they remember nothing from kiddies class. So I was a bit sad because I felt
That
like
makes
all
sense,
the
though.
hard work. So now that this card, that's so good, Isabelle. It's like made for me. Look at the line numbers. Okay, it's not even focusing. Okay, there we go.
But explain. So can you see?
It has
On middle C, we teach the students there's lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, there's middle C. And that's how students know and how they can read notes because of the lines.
Yeah, so under or below line 1, this is the next note. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the parents.
It's just a clearer explanation, to be honest.
But the parents and I, we investigated a little bit, and we found that
It depends on the age as well.
yeah, we think the kids are actually not realizing the difference between on, under.
Oh, you have to sometimes
between.
Sometimes
it's the
words.
preposition that's confusing them sometimes.
Sometimes you have to just change the language. For example, you say in the middle.
Yeah.
I don't say in between. I say in the middle. For example, I would say. Okay. So
I use
for
soft
context,
toys. I put my hands on or
so
under
middle
soft
C,
toys.
and then you got D under line 1. You got E on line 1, and then F. For example, you say is F. Oh. See F. You say is between lines 1 and 2.
It's not focusing, is it?
It's not. So for example, F you say is between lines 1 and 2. You see?
Yes.
But if they're a 4-year-old, they might say line 1, line 2, in the middle is F.
Which is fine as well.
Yeah,
as
that's
long as they
completely
get
fine.
the meaning.
Yeah, but at least they know it's between lines
Yeah.
1 and 2. Like whatever the explanation is, it doesn't really matter. And usually in the first week they just learn C, D, and E, for example. So now with the ring, you can give them the homework. For example, they learn treble clef, bass clef, C, D, E, and then they won't lose the cards that they are supposed to be learning. You keep them separated.
I only realized what's the point of having a ring.
And
I thought it's for the whole pile.
No, silly.
This is so good.
So then kids can play around with it.
I can't wait to. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to use it
To
with
play with them?
my kiddies.
It's actually so fun, and the kids are gonna love it.
Wow, such a good product. I'm sorry, I'm just.
This is just
so
mind blowing
great.
for us music teachers because the other cards are so bad.
Wow.
And I can say they're so bad because I've been using them for ages. But you know, a lot of students don't even know that you learn music flashcards to learn notes. They don't.
What?
They don't use music flashcards to learn notes.
I mean, I didn't when I was young.
That's crazy.
I only started to
Do
start
it
teaching.
here.
Yeah. But by the way, I've got
Time
message
signatures?
from international music schools asking about what music cards, what flashcards I'm using. And I
now
told
we can
them to
say
stay
Muso Music
tuned.
Flashcards.
Yeah, because I know Muso is going to have their own, and they're like, okay, can we order?
Really?
I know,
Before
yeah.
we even launched?
Because of the Aaron reel,
Oh,
the flashcard
really?
reel that I posted. Yeah, so people are asking about my materials that I used to teach.
Yeah, heaps of people do that. Do you feel famous now?
No, I don't. I feel famous at Muso. But even the non-flute students.
This is the
everyone's
most
like,
important category.
Oh my god, yes.
Keyboard, instruments of different families. So you got the, I'll hold it up for you.
Orchestral
You got the
instruments.
keyboard family.
So
Yeah, orchestra instruments.
Why is this not illustrated? Why is this like pictures?
Oh, I don't know. I can't be bothered.
Yeah, there we go. Focused? Not focused. Oh, there we go.
But anyway, this is really important for students to learn because I think it's so overwhelming when they go from 0 to 100. And then they got the string family.
String family. What happened to this? Oh, no, it's fine. Sorry.
Scared me.
I'm just blind.
It's gonna kill you. And notice this racial.
Yeah,
I did that on
diversity.
I did that on purpose.
Yeah, look at that.
Even
That
the
is
hair
so
color is
good.
diversity.
It's still not focusing.
So there is
Okay, there we go.
even equal amounts of
Different
diversity.
skin color, hair color.
Yeah, hair color is pretty important actually.
So diverse. I loved it.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Took a while. And then Woodwind family.
I believe that is Sherene.
She's blonde.
I used to be.
Even the outfits are very diverse.
Yeah, that's amazing. Hairstyles actually quite alike.
Like you.
Yeah.
Is it?
No,
And
I'm
we got
kidding.
the brass family. Unfortunately, it was not that diverse. It's a bit diverse, but then the French horn is just purple hair.
I have a question. Where's the tuba?
I couldn't be bothered putting tuba in there. I got really
Rude.
lazy. Yeah.
Rude. Okay, let's show.
Oh wait, I think I made a mistake with the brass family card.
What?
Do you see the mistake?
Okay, wait.
There's an extra brass family. All the other ones don't have it. I'm so sad. Oh my gosh. I have OCD. I'll be fine.
It
Oh,
would
no.
bother me if I am the one who decided. I would be really bothered. I'm not even kidding. One
Oh
of my
my
reels,
goodness.
the title, the profile
Okay,
is not as good.
look.
And
It's fine. I won't show them.
No, actually, don't cut it in the YouTube video. Don't show off flaws.
No, it's okay. It's got to be realistic. That's what happens when you first design a product. It's not
That's
always
true.
going to be perfect. But yeah. And then what's the next one? The percussion family. So then all the kids would know the different types of families. Very important. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So yes,
Is it?
we went through articulation and dynamics too. That's really
But you don't
important.
have the practice rhythm, right? Like the different rhythms.
No, you don't have to because we never did that.
Oh, I'm doing it with Jamie every single lesson.
Yeah, but that's
It's
just
so
Jane.
useful.
That's just only one student.
He's actually so good at that.
Is he?
He's a rhythm genius.
Rhythm genius,
Yes.
is he? I'm gonna put it back in order.
Because I already taught Kaiba even in Kitty's 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's counting the rest and he's 1 rest,
Nice.
One rest.
Oh, that's so cute.
Like so
That
accurate.
is really, really cute. But yeah, so if kids are bored, they can easily go through the other cards because I feel the other cards are so unattractive that kids wouldn't go through it all. But
It's literally just teaching material. It's
but
for
when
us to explain.
but when I left these cards on the table, at my house, a lot of the kids were actually just going through them for fun because it looks attractive. It literally looks like a board game. So of course kids will, want to go through the cards. But yeah, that's
I'm
pretty
so
much
proud of
it. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm really proud of
So
you.
purchase the Muso Music Flash Cards if you have kids who need to learn music
Or you're a music teacher.
or you're a music teacher.
Yeah.
And then it'll be on Amazon Australia first.
Are they going to be in the local music shops?
They will be also in the local music
Woo!
shops.
Yes! Oh my god, my rings. Oh god. Am I going to get one?
Yes, this is your. Do you want this one?
I don't mind.
Okay, this is your one. Okay, bye.
What's wrong with this one? Bye!